Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. VaiShipon here. In this tutorial I will show you full multi-vendor website making procedure. If you are a beginner for WordPress web design, it's not a problem. If you study this tutorial, you can make a full multi-vendor professional website. Now what is multi-vendor website? Multi-vendor website is like Amazon is a multi-vendor website, AliExpress is a multi-vendor website. Multi-vendor website which give opportunity to sellers make their store in multi-vendor website and they can sell their product on your website through your website, and you will get a commission for every sale. Suppose one seller selling a product, that person will making a profit, and you will also make some commission because you are owner of this website, multi-vendor website like Amazon, AliExpress. And in this multi-vendor website making procedure I will use a free theme, but with this full procedure I will show a full professional multi-vendor website making procedure. And for this website making procedure you don't need any coding knowledge, because I will show you with very simple way with WordPress. Just doing drag and drop you can make a full professional multi-vendor website. I am showing the full procedure because the tutorial will very big, but I will make sector wise time settings in video description, and from video description you can go to any sector. Just one click, you have to click on timing which sector you want to learn. And with this tutorial finally we will make a multi-vendor website, multi-vendor e-commerce website like this one. I will show you the full procedure. This is header section, banner, new arrivals products, featured products, footer section. I will discuss everything with full multi-vendor e-commerce website making procedure, and I will show you the full settings of multi-vendor e-commerce website making procedure with this tutorial. Now let's start with seller account. How a seller make an account on multi-vendor website. Suppose a seller wants to make a seller account for multi-vendor website. The person have to go here, dashboard, and here they will get this interface, login or registered. If they already have an account they can log in here, or first time they want to do registered, they have to do register here. Suppose seller wants to make a seller account, they have to click here, register, and here is first option is for customer. Any customer can give here a email address and they can select here I am a customer, and they have to click here register. And in this way customer can sign up for a customer account, but when a customer purchases a product they will automatically sign up for a customer account. But if a person wants to make a vendor account or seller account, they have to select this option, I am a vendor, and when they select I am a vendor they will get this form and they have to fill up this form like this way. Suppose they have to give here email address, I am using a demo email, password. A password will be sent to your email address. That means when a seller register for an account they will get a password on their email ID. They have to give here first name. Suppose I am giving my YouTube channel address VaiShipon, VaiShipon. They have to give here last name. Suppose I am giving this name again here, but seller have to give here their first name and last name. Shop name, seller have to give here a shop name. Suppose I am giving this is my shop name. Now seller store address will be like this one. Suppose domain address amardailyshop.com/store/VaiShipon. I think you clear. And here seller have to give a phone number. Suppose here I am giving my phone number 0176460844, and seller have to agree with terms and condition. I have read and agree to the terms and condition. They have to select this option and they have to click on register button. When they click on register button they will get this interface, welcome to the marketplace, and here they have to do some settings. Let's go. They have to click on let's go, and they have to fill up this form, store product per page, how many products they want to show on per page store. They have to select here. Suppose 10 is selected, they can change it, and here they have to give their address. I am using a demo address. They can choose store category. If they want to show their email on store they have to select this option, email, and continue. I am designing this website amardailyshop.com, and here I have set bank payment to the seller. That's why here is showing bank payment option. If I set PayPal, here will show a PayPal option, and seller have to fill up this form. They have to select their PayPal and they have to give their bank information here, bank account name, bank account number, name of bank and bank address. Suppose I am giving demo address, just I am doing fill up this form, and here seller have to give their bank routing number, IBAN number, SWIFT code. They have to collect this information from their bank. Just I am fill upping the form with my phone number. Continue, and done. Your store is ready. Go to your store dashboard. Done. And now if a multi-vendor website admin approve this account, they can start product adding, and from multi-vendor website they will get this message, their user ID and their password. In future they will log in with this user ID and with this password. And we are using Dokan plugin for this multi-vendor website design, and this Dokan multi-vendor plugin have a lot of amazing feature. An amazing feature is seller don't have to log into website backend. They can maintain their account just from dashboard. Just they have to click here and they have to log in with this ID and password, and from here they can do all settings from their dashboard. Now we will see seller dashboard. If a seller log into their seller account, if they click here dashboard, they will get their seller dashboard, and from here they will get all information: sales, earnings, page view, sales this month, sales total, number of orders, latest announcement, orders information, completed, pending, processing, cancelled. They can see reviews and product information, total product, live product, offline product, pending review. And if they click here products, they will see their all products, and from here they can add product, search product. They can search product category wise, orders, and if there are any orders they can manage their orders from here: completed, pending, on hold, pending, cancelled, returned, failed, coupons. And they can make coupons from here, and they can maintain their coupons from here. Reports, they can see their reports from here. Reviews, if customer give reviews them, they can see here. Contact admin, they can contact admin from here directly: first name, last name, email address, message, and submit query. They can ask any query to the admin from here. Withdraw, from here they can do withdraw request for their money, return request, and from here they can maintain return request. Followers, if some customer follow them, they can see their information here. Support, and they can give customer support here. Settings, and from here seller can do seller account settings. Suppose they can upload a banner, 625 into 300 pixels. Suppose I am uploading a banner, suppose this one, crop image, and done. I have uploaded a banner. Profile picture, here we can give a profile picture. Suppose upload, select files. Suppose I am giving this one as a profile picture. Select and crop image, and done. Store name, here we have to write a store name. Suppose I am giving here store name Amar Daily Shop. Store category, we can select here store category. Store product per page, we can select here store product per page, and here we have to give address. Suppose I am not giving address right now. Country, from here we have to select country. State, we have to select state, and here we have to give our phone number. Right now I am not giving any phone number, I will change it later on. Email, if we want to show our email on store, we will select this option, otherwise we will not select this option. You can select this option. More products, if you want to show map, type an address to find your address for show map. Terms and condition, you have to select this option. You can give here terms and condition details. Store opening and closing time, you can choose store opening and closing time from here. Suppose open 8:30 p.m. We have selected store opening time and store closing time for all the days. Store open notice, here you can give a store open notice. Store close notice, here you can give a store close notice. You can enable store wide discount. Biography, you can write a biography for store. Enable support, you can enable support, show support button in store, and here you can change this option, get support. You can write anything, suppose update settings, and now any customer can get support directly from here. Suppose a customer write here get support, suppose need help or need discount. Select order ID, they can select order ID and they can give here message. I am writing just hi, submit. Thank you, your ticket has been submitted. Now if we go back and if we click here support, one support ticket is here. Now seller can give support to the customer directly from here. If we go back to settings again, and here is payment settings, seller can do payment settings from here. We have selected bank transfer for seller. They can give their bank account name here, bank account number, name of bank, bank address. They have to give their routing number, IBAN number and SWIFT code. They have to collect this information from their bank and they have to do update settings. Verification, obviously for a seller account, seller have to verify their account, and that's why they will click here start verification, and they can do verify their account with passport, national ID card, driving license. They have to upload passport, national ID card, driving license, and they have to submit. Address verification, if seller click on address verification, they have to fill up this option, fill up this address, and they have to click on submit, and in this way they can verify their seller account. And next option is shipping. Seller can do shipping settings from here. Social profile, seller can add their social profile here. Update settings, and here is all the social media accounts added to seller account. And next option is RMA, return and warranty policy. Seller can manage their return and warranty policy from here. And next option is store SEO, and from here seller can do SEO settings for their store. Suppose they have to give a SEO title for their store, meta description, meta keywords, Facebook title, Facebook description, a Facebook image. They have to upload a image for Facebook, Twitter title, Twitter description, upload a photo for Twitter image, and they have to do save changes. Back, I am going back, and in this way seller or vendor can manage their accounts. For design a website, first time you need a domain and you need hosting, and for this you can search for Google domain hosting. You will get a lot of website. You can purchase your domain hosting from any web hosting company. I am showing you a most popular one, extraorbit.com, extraorbit.com, and from here first time you have to search a domain. Suppose like this way, register a new domain. You can search any domain like .com, .net, .org, everything you can search for your domain name. Suppose I am looking for a domain with my name, search, unavailable. Okay, .net is available, .org is available, .in is available. In this way you have to search your domain name and you have to select the domain name. Suppose you like this domain, just click on checkout. Now you have to make an account and give payment, and in this way you can purchase domain. If I go to ExtraOrbit again, there is unlimited hosting. There are some plans for hosting packages. You can choose any plan, and I think you have already purchased domain and hosting. Okay, when you purchase domain hosting, you will get domain, control panel login password, and you will get hosting or cPanel control panel login password. And now you have to set up WordPress on your hosting, and for this procedure you have to log into your cPanel, and when you log in your cPanel you will get this interface, a cPanel interface, and here you will get an option, software option or software app installer option, and here you will get WordPress. You have to click here WordPress, install now, and from here you have to select HTTPS, and from here you can choose WordPress version, and I will suggest you all time try to choose latest version, and you have to select your domain address here, and you can leave this box empty. Site title, you have to give a site title here. Suppose I am giving here best top 10, and suppose site description best top 10 product. Username, you have to give a username here, and password, you have to give a password here. Suppose I am giving a password, admin email, This is admin email. You can use any email here. Select language, you have to select your language from here. Select theme, you have to select a theme. This is optional. Email installation details too. You can give here an email address. For WordPress admin area login details, install and done. Now write your domain address on your browser, and I know the username and I know the password. This is username and this is password, and our WordPress installation complete. Now if we check our website, visit site, done. Now we have to clean up our website, and we have to do some important settings. And this is front end area. This is front end of our website, and this is back end area. If we see our front end area, here is a default post, comes with WordPress setup, hello world. We have to delete this post. Before we delete this post, if we click here, post permalink coming with this format, with date format, and I don't like this. I don't want to show date with my post or pages, and for these settings we have to go to settings, permalinks, and by default this is permalink settings, day and time, and we have to change it with post name. Save changes. Now if we click here, and this is the best format for WordPress website, for any kinds of website. Okay, we have to delete this post. If we go to posts, this one, default post, trash, and I am also deleting from trash, delete permanently. And you will get some pages. Default pages comes with WordPress setup. You have to delete the pages. Go to pages and select all pages, privacy policy, sample pages, move to trash, apply, and we have to delete from trash. Select all, delete permanently, apply. And if you go to plugins, you will get some plugins. By default comes with WordPress setup, suppose like this way. Okay, I am deleting all the plugins, delete, apply. Okay, all plugins deleted. And we have to do some important settings. If we go to users, this is our admin account with this email, and if we click on edit, you have to change some settings here. Suppose you can change admin color scheme, default, and I think this one is good. Okay, and this is our username, admin. Here is showing admin, nickname admin, but my nickname is not admin. Okay, I am giving here one of my YouTube channel name, VaiShipon, VaiShipon. Display name publicly as VaiShipon. Okay, I want to show this name. Changed. You can write a bio about yourself. Obviously you have to write bio related to your domain. Suppose I am writing here, I am web designer. Okay, and here is the profile picture. You can change it from picture on Gavatar. I have already changed with my Gmail. You can change password from here, and when you change everything, you have to click on update profile, dashboard. You can install WooCommerce plugin for making e-commerce website, like e-commerce website, dropshipping website, multi-vendor website. It is most important you have to install first WooCommerce plugin, and for this procedure you have to go to plugins, add new, and just you have to write here WooCommerce for search WooCommerce plugin, and you will get this plugin WooCommerce by Automatic, and this is the main plugin for WooCommerce. And you have to see the ratings, installation, active installation, 5 million plus active installation, and you have to install this plugin, activate. You have to active the WooCommerce plugin, and when you click on activate, you will get this interface. The following wizard will help you to configure your store and get you started quickly. And the first one is, where is your store based? You have to select where is your store based. Suppose if your store based on UK, you have to select UK. If your store based on USA, you have to select USA. Suppose my store based on Bangladesh, that's why I will select here Bangladesh. Okay, address, you have to give your address here, city, state, zip code. Suppose I am giving here a demo address, and here you have to choose your currency. What currency do you accept payments in? Suppose I am selecting here Bangladeshi Taka. If your currency is USD, you have to select USD, and there are a lot of currency. You have to select your currency from here. What type of products do you plan to sell? This is most important, and here is 3 options. I plan to sell both physical and digital products. I plan to sell physical products. I plan to sell digital products. My suggestion is select first one. I plan to sell both physical and digital products, and if you need this option, you can select it. I will also be selling products or service in person. If you sell service, then you have to select this one. Okay, I am ignoring this option. Let's go. Enable usage tracking and help improve WooCommerce. You can select it, or if you think this option is not suitable for you, just ignore it. Continue, and you will get payment option. WooCommerce can accept both online and offline payments, and here is additional payment methods. You can be installed later, offline payments, and by default here is check payments, bank transfer, cash on delivery. My suggestion is first time select this option, cash on delivery, and when installation complete, you can select any payment method for your website. Continue. Shipping zone, shipping method. First time you have to select shipping method. There is 2 options, flat rate, free shipping. You can choose any one. Suppose I am selecting free shipping. Locations not covered by your other zones. You can select flat rate, suppose 10%, and you have to select your product, weight, dimensions. Continue. Now you will get this interface, and here you will get these options. You have to install these plugins. You can install it or you can ignore it. Suppose I think this one is most important, WooCommerce admin. I am selecting this one, and I am deselecting these 2 options, MailChimp and Facebook. Continue. Now you will get this interface. By default there is a plugin comes with WooCommerce. The plugin name is Jetpack. This is a very helpful plugin, but at this moment we don't need this. I am skipping this option. Just go to visit dashboard, and our WooCommerce installation complete. And when you complete your installation, WooCommerce installation, you will get some pages by default with WooCommerce: cart page, checkout page, my account page, privacy policy, shop page, dashboard. And when you click on dashboard, you will get this interface, but all options are not important for us. Suppose this one is important for us, we can remove everything. For this you have to click here, see options. Suppose I am deselecting every options. We need just this one, WooCommerce status. From here at a glance you can see every reports for your website. Suppose sales in this month, orders, products, everything you can see from here. If you need Dokan plugin, you have to go to widevs.com. I will give my affiliate link for Dokan plugin at video description. If you purchase the plugin from my affiliate link, I will be happy. Okay, you have to go to widevs.com, and for a multi-vendor website design we need this plugin, Dokan multi-vendor. Suppose I am clicking here, you can see free demo, and for pricing you can go to pricing. There are many projects, always free. There is a free plan, starter project, $149 per year. Per year means they will give you support for 1 year, but you can use the plugin for lifetime, and every plan have some variation. Suppose for starter plan, commission types, front-end products, vendor management, powerful reports, social login, 1 premium module, 1 site license, ticket based support. You will get this opportunity from this plugin, but if you get the professional plugin, $249 per year, you will get product add-on, vendor review, store support, seller verification, PayPal, Stripe, and MOIP, subscriptions, 9 premium modules, 3 site license, ticket based support. And for this plan you will get 3 sites license. If you purchase this plan, you can use this license for 3 multi-vendor websites. And there are other 2 plans, business plans, $499 and enterprise plan $999. And I will suggest you, if you want to run a multi-vendor website, purchase this plan. This plan will helpful for you. When you have purchased Dokan, you have to install the plugins. Just go to the plugins. I have already installed the plugins. I am showing you. First time you have to install Dokan free, and then you have to install Dokan Pro Professional, which you have already purchased. And when you use any plugin or theme, this plugin or theme will suggest you some additional plugin. And when you install Dokan plugin, Dokan Pro plugin, you will get a suggestion you need Elementor and Elementor Pro. So you have to collect Elementor plugin and Elementor Pro plugin, and you have to install Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. I have already installed all the plugin. Now you will get this menu, Dokan. First time you have to do module settings. I am going to module settings, and here you will get these modules. You have to choose which modules you want to use or which modules you don't need to use. Suppose color scheme customization, you can enable this one. Elementor, you have to enable this one. Follow store. If you enable this one, I am showing you what will happen. Seller list, store list, Amar Daily Shop. This is one of my multi-vendor web design project. I am showing you with this project. When visitor will go to any store, suppose visit store, they will get this button, follow button. If we enable this follow store, visitor can follow any store. They will get this button. They can click here and they can follow this store. You can enable this option, live search, PayPal, adaptive payment. Obviously you have to enable this option. Product add-on, WooCommerce product add-on support. Obviously we have to enable this one, report abuse. If you need this option, you have to enable this option. Suppose if we open any product, suppose this one, visitor found this product is spam or like something that visitor will click here and he will choose a option from here why he or she want to report abuse for this product. Even they can write here a description and they will click here report abuse. When they do report abuse for a product, site admin can take action for that product. Okay, return and warranty request, you have to enable this option, manage return and warranty from vendor. This will very helpful. Single product multiple vendor, this is also most powerful add-on, a module that offers multiple vendor to sell a single product. Suppose if we enable this option, suppose one seller uploaded a product, and as an admin I am also a seller, I can also publish this product. I can also sell this product with my seller ID. If we enable this one, store reviews, if we enable this one, a plugin that allows customers to rate these sellers. If we enable this one, customer can rate any store. Suppose this is the store, reviews, and from here customer can give reviews for this seller. Store support, if we enable this option, customer will get this option, get support. Enable vendors to provide support to customers from store page. This one, get support. Stripe support, this is basically a payment method. If we use Stripe, we will enable this option, otherwise we will disable this option. Vendor subscription, product subscription pack add-on for Dokan vendors. Suppose we don't want to enable this one. Vendor verification, it's also very important. If you enable this option, you can verify your seller. You can collect identity proof like ID card, passport or bank documents from your seller. That's why you have to enable this option. Wire card payment gateway for Dokan. Suppose we don't want to use this option, I am disabling this option, and our module settings done. We are using oceanwp themes. Now you will see how you can install oceanwp themes and some extra plugins. And for this procedure we have to go to appearance, theme, add new, and you have to search here oceanwp, 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 and you will get this theme. Install it and activate. And when you install your final theme, you will get a suggestion for some plugin to install your website like this way: Elementor, Ocean Extra, WP Forms. You can click here begin installing plugins, or you can dismiss the notice. Just I am showing you, that's why I am closing this option. Just I need to install this plugin Ocean Extra. and go to plugins, click on add new and search Ocean Extra, and here is the plugin Ocean Extra by oceanwp. Install this plugin, activate, and here you will get this option, run the setup wizard. If I click here, get started, selecting your demo template, you will get some demo template here. You can select any one. Suppose I need this theme, select and install demo, and here you will get some suggestion which plugin required for this theme. Suppose Ocean Extra we have already installed and activated this one, Ocean Customer Sidebar, we can install it, active. Ocean Product Sharing, install now, active. Ocean Social Sharing, install now, active. Ocean Stick Anything, install now, active. Elementor, install now, active. WP Forms, install now, active. WooCommerce we have already installed, and these three plugins are premium, we don't need this, and we have to select all the options from here, import, and it will take some time for importing XML data. Demo imported, and you can do some settings from here, suppose logo, site title, tagline, site icon, continue. Now you can click here, view your website. Now if we see our website front end view, and your demo website is ready. Now just you have to do the customized settings for your website. Now we will see WooCommerce settings, and for WooCommerce settings you have to go to WooCommerce settings, and now I will cover everything: general, products, tax, shipping, payments, accounts and privacy, emails, integration, advanced section. I will cover all section, and here you have to give your full details: address, city, country, you have to select your country, zip code, and this is website admin details. And from general options, selling options, and here is three options: sell to all countries, sell to all countries except for, you can select this option, or sell to specific countries, and my suggestion is select sell to specific countries. Suppose I have selected here Bangladesh, you can select any country from here, and this is very important. If you select Bangladesh, only Bangladeshi people can purchase product from your website. Shipping locations, you have to select shipping locations, and here is some options: deliver to specific countries only, ship to all countries, you sell to, ship to all countries, deliver to specific countries only, disable shipping, and shipping calculations, geolocate. You can select anything, but my suggestion is select this one, deliver to specific countries only. And I have selected here Bangladesh because my targeted audience is only for Bangladesh. If you ship your product another countries, you can select as per your need a default customer location, and here is some option: no location by default, shop base address, geolocate, geolocate with page caching support. You can take an option as per your need. Suppose I am taking geolocate. Enable taxes. If you need tax option for your website, you have to select this option, and when you select this option, you will get this button here, tax. Enable coupons. Enable the use of coupons code. If you want to use coupon codes for your products, you have to enable this option, and you have to enable this option, calculate coupon discounts. Currency options. Currency. From currency you have to select your website currency. Suppose I have selected here Bangladeshi Taka. If you need dollar, you can select dollar. You will get here all currencies for all country. You can select as per your need. You can select currency position, thousand separator, decimal separator, number of decimals. You can do all settings from here, and finally you have to click on save changes. Okay, now we will see tax settings. I am clicking here tax settings, prices entered with tax. You have to select this option. Yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax. You have to select this option, and there is another option: no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. If you need, you can select this option, calculate tax based on, and here is some options: customer shipping address, customer billing address, shop base address. Suppose I am selecting here shop base address, shipping tax class based on basket items, standard, reduced rate, zero rate. Suppose I am selecting here standard, and here is rounding settings. If you need it, you can select it. Additional text classes, there are 2 text classes by default here, reduced rate and 0 rate, and you can change it as per your need. Display prices in the shop, and here we have to choose including tax. Display prices during basket and checkout, and here we have to choose including tax. Display tax totals, and there is 2 options. You can select any one. Suppose I am selecting this one and save changes. Now we will see shipping settings, and here you will get this option, add shipping zone. First time you have to add shipping zone for which country you want to sell your product or ship your product. Suppose I am clicking here, add shipping zone. Suppose you are selling your product for 2 different countries, you have to make 2 shipping zone because both countries shipping price are not same. Suppose my multi-vendor shop is only for Bangladesh, that's why I am making a shipping zone only for Bangladesh. Zone name I am giving here Bangladesh. Even we can create shipping zone state wise. Suppose I can make a shipping zone for Chittagong, I can make a shipping zone for Noakhali. In this way you can make shipping zone for state wise. But now I want to select same shipping zone for whole country. That's why zone regions I will select here Bangladesh. Add shipping method. Now you have to click on add shipping method, and there is some options: flat rate, free shipping, local pickup, vendor shipping. You can select any one, but for my multi-vendor website, vendor will ship the products. That's why I will select this one, vendor shipping. Add shipping method. Now let's see the payment settings. I am clicking here payments, and you will get all payments option here: direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery. First time we have to select cash on delivery, and when we will complete our design, website design, we will choose another payment method as per our need. Suppose PayPal, Dokan, PayPal, adaptive payments, you can use any one. Just you have to enable this option. Suppose you want to use this feature, you have to enable this option and go to setup, give all information with this payment method, and save your settings. That's it. Save changes. If you are using another payment method, you will get plugin for your payment method. You have to install the plugin, and when you install the plugin and activate the plugin, you will get that payment method here, and you can set up your payment method as per your needs. Let's see accounts and privacy. First time you have to check this option: allow customers to log into an existing account during checkout, and allow customers to create an account during checkout. Okay, save changes, and here is the option product settings. Go to products. You have to confirm shop page. Shop page is selected. Add to basket behavior. There is 2 options. You can select any option: placeholder, measurements, reviews. Enable reviews. You have to select these options: enable product reviews, shop verified owner label on customer reviews, enable star rating on reviews. Star rating should be required, not optional. You have to select these options. Save changes, and finally you have to go to advanced settings, and here you have to make sure all pages are selected. Basket page, you have to select here basket page, like cart. Checkout page, checkout page is selected. My account page is selected, and from here you have to select terms and condition page, or you have to make a terms and condition page and select here. I have already made this page, and there are some options, and my suggestion is don't play with these options. Save changes, and in this way you can do WooCommerce settings for your website. Now I am going to show you full Dokan settings, and for this you have to go to Dokan menu and settings option, and these settings are very important for any multi-vendor website. And the first section is, here is general option, and here you will get this option, admin area access. You have to select this option because the option is disallow vendors and customers from accessing the WP dashboard area. Suppose this is WP admin dashboard area. Only multi-vendor admin can see this area or work on this area. Seller should not see this area or should not work on this area. That's why you have to disallow this area, admin area access. This is very important. Make sure this box is checked, and here is the option vendor store URL. You can give here anything. I have given here store. Suppose if I go to website front end area, and if I go to store list, and if I open any store, visit store, and here is the URL Amar Daily Shop /store /vendor store name. We can use here anything, and here is another option, vendor setup wizard logo. If you want to show a vendor your logo, you can set here. Suppose I am doing setup for this website, choose logo, and here is the logo, select, and next option is disable welcome wizard. Disable welcome wizard for newly registered vendors, but I will recommend you not to disable this option. Vendor store options, store terms and condition, you have to select this one. Enable terms and condition, you have to select this one. Store category, and there is two category, single and multiple. My suggestion is select here single option, save changes, and next setting menu is selling options, and here is first option is commission type. There is three option, flat, percentage, combine. My suggestion is select percentage, and admin commission, select admin commission, suppose 10%. Amount you get from each sale. Suppose if we set here 10%, we will get 10% commission for every sale amount. Shipping fee recipient, here is two option, vendor and admin. My suggestion is select vendor. And tax fee recipient, and here is two option, vendor, admin, and my suggestion is select vendor, who will receiving the tax fees. Vendor capability, new vendor product upload. Obviously you have to select this option, allow newly registered vendors to add products. Disable product pop-up, you should select this option, disable add new product in pop-up view. Order status change, obviously we have to select this option, allow disallow vendor to update order status, because a vendor will send the product to customer. That's why they need power to allow disallow vendor to update order status. New product status, it should be pending review, and here is two options, published and pending. If you select pending review, when seller upload a product on your website, you will get a message, this seller uploaded a product which is for pending review. You can go through the product, and if you think the product is okay, and you can publish the product. But if you select this one, published, if seller upload a product, it will automatically show on your website. And my suggestion is new product status, select pending review. And next option is duplicate product. You have to select this option, allow vendor to duplicate their product. And next option is edited product status. You have to select this one, set product status as pending review when a vendor edits or updates a product. If vendor edits a product or updates a product, you should check the products and you should publish again. That's why you have to select this option. Product mail notification, email notification on new product submission. You should check this box. Product category selection, we have already selected single. Select a category type for products. We have already selected this one, single. A vendor can create tags. Obviously you should check this box, allow vendors to create new product tags from vendor dashboard. Discount editing, allow vendor to add discount on product. You should check this box. Allow vendor to add discount on order. You should also check this box. Hide customer info, hide customer information from order details of vendors. Make sure this box is not checked, because if you hide customer information from vendors, how they will send the products to customers? That's why make sure this box is unchecked. And next option is vendor product review. Vendor can change product review status from vendor dashboard, and you should uncheck this box, because if you check this box, vendor can changes the reviews from their dashboard, and it will not good for your website. That's why you have to uncheck this box, save changes. And next option is withdraw option. When a customer purchases a product, you will get the amount and you have to send money to your vendors, and that's why you have to choose here a payment method. Suppose I have chosen here bank transfer. You can choose PayPal, Skrill. Minimum withdraw limit, you can set a minimum withdraw limit. Suppose set here 10,000. Order status for withdraw, you should select here completed. Withdraw threshold, you have to select here days. Suppose you want to select 7 days. Make order mature to make a withdraw request. Save changes. Next menu is page settings, and you have to make sure settings dashboard selected. my orders page selected, terms and condition page selected, save changes. And next menu is appearance, and here first option is show map on store page. If you want to show map on store page, you have to enable this option, enable Google Maps on the store location in the store sidebar. And for this procedure you have to take a Google API key from here. Just click here and follow the procedure, take Google Map API key and submit here. Show contact from on store page, display a vendor contact from in the store sidebar. You should select this option, and there are some store header template. You can choose any one, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can select any one. Suppose I have selected this one. Store banner width, you can select store banner width. Store banner height, you can select store banner height. Store opening and closing time widget, you can select this one. Enable store opening and closing time widget in the store sidebar. It will show on the store sidebar. Enable store sidebar from theme, you can enable it or you can disable it. Suppose I am selecting this option, save changes. Next menu is privacy policy. Enable privacy policy, you have to select this option. Privacy page, you have to select a privacy page, or you have to make privacy page, and after that you have to select here. Suppose I have already made this page, I am selecting this page, privacy policy, and save changes. And next menu is seller verification. This is not seller ID verification. There are a lot of settings: Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn. You can see these settings from Dokan documentation page. Next menu is verification SMS gateways. If you want to use verification SMS gateways, you can use these sites, Twilio, Nexmo. Suppose I don't need this. And next option is colors, and from here you can do color settings for various option. Suppose button text color, button background color, button border color, button hover text color, button hover color, button hover border color, dashboard navigation text, dashboard navigation active menu, dashboard navigation background, dashboard menu border. We will do all these settings when we will complete our design. I will show you everything. And next option is email verification. Enable email verification. If you need this, you can select this option, but I think this is not important for me. Save changes. And next menu is social API. Enable social login. Enabling this will add social icons under registration form to allow users to log in or register using social profiles. Save changes. And next option is vendor contact from. Vendor can contact. Allow vendors to contact admin from the dashboard area. You have to select this option. Contact section level, contact admin. You can choose anything or person. Select contact from. We have already selected contact from. Save changes. And next option is RMA settings. Product return policy. Order status, you should select here completed. Which order status you want to give return and warranty facility. You should select here completed. Enable refund request, you can select yes or no. Suppose I am selecting no. Enable coupon request, you can select yes or no. Suppose I am selecting yes. Reasons for return, you have to select here multiple question. You can add here some reason. Suppose I am selecting 1, the product is defective. Suppose I am adding some more. The product not as described. Add. Suppose product quality is not good. Suppose product not delivered on time. You can write here as per your need. Whenever customer wants to return a product, they can select any one option from here. And next option is refund policy. You can write here your refund policy. I am doing save changes. And next menu is product report abuse. Reported by only logged in users can report. You have to select it. Reasons for abuse report. Some point showing here. You can edit or delete this option, or you can add another reason. Save changes. And next option is single product multi-vendor. Single product multi-vendor. If you want to use this option, you have to select this option. Enable single product multi-vendor functionality. Suppose save changes. And here are some other settings. Sell item button text. Sell this item. You can change it. Available vendor display area. Other available vendor section, display section, available vendor section, display section. You can change it. Above single product tabs, display inside product tabs. After single product tabs, I am selecting above single product tabs. Show SPMV products, show for all products, minimum price, maximum price, top rated vendor. You can select anything. Suppose I am selecting show all products. Save changes. And if I go to website front end area, and if I select any product, here is showing sell this item. Suppose I want to sell this product from my seller ID. I can add this product to my seller ID. Just one click, sell this item. And I can sell this item from my seller ID or from my seller store. This is very helpful. So we have to select it. Save changes. And we have done all the important settings for Dokan plugin. How you can do homepage design with Elementor for multi-vendor website, for dropshipping website, or any kinds of e-commerce website. Let's start. Now we will see how can we design with homepage with Elementor. First time make a homepage and give name home. But for tutorial purpose, I have given name VaiShipon, VaiShipon. This is my YouTube channel name. Make a page with home name and publish. We will edit with Elementor. That's why we have to click here, edit with Elementor. You can use every element from here. Suppose I am showing you one. Suppose I am taking this element image, and if I click here, this image control panel will open here. Suppose I need an image. I am clicking here. Suppose this one, open, and from here you can give size, medium size, a lot of size here. Suppose I am giving medium. Alignment, you can choose alignment from here. Caption, you can choose caption. I am choosing none. Link, you can set a link here. A media file, custom URL. And if you go to style, for every element you can give a lot of style. Suppose width, maximum width, opacity, you can choose opacity, opacity for normal, for hover, you can do hover settings, you can do normal settings. Okay, this was just I wanted to show you. Now we will design our home page, and if you click here, you will get all elements here. Suppose first time we need a slider. We will design a slider, and design with Elementor you have to do one thing. For any design you have to start with section. I am taking a section from here, inner section. Click and drag and set here. We take a section with 2 columns, but we need 1 column. That's why I am deleting 1 column. Now here is 1 column, and we need a heading. Suppose I am taking a heading here. We will follow this site. Suppose amardailyshop.com. Okay, here is fashion style. Fashion style. STYLE. Okay, size, we can give here size. Suppose I am taking this size. HTML tag, we can choose HTML tag, and I am doing alignment. Suppose right side, and color. Now if we go to style, we can do a lot of styles. Suppose I want to give here a color. Suppose I want to give this color here, and I can make it transparent. Suppose I need this color. Okay, typography, we can change from here typography. But for your website, first time you have to choose your typography for your whole website, and for this you have to go to these 3 buttons and default fonts. we can choose default fonts for our website. Suppose if I click here, primary heading, here is Poppins selected, good. Secondary headline, same, I am taking Poppins. Okay, we can choose weight, body text, Roboto is good, and apply. And if we click here, here is all element, and I am clicking here. Here is the controlling option, style, text shadow. We can give here text shadow. Suppose I want to give a little shadow here with red color. You can control your design with this button, transparent option. We take here fashion style, and here is daily shopping. We need another heading option. I am taking another heading, click and drag. Suppose I am writing here daily shopping, and we have to customize this text size XXL, and I am taking here H1 and alignment, this content alignment, I think this one is good, fashion style daily shopping. Now if I click here, I have to change this color, style. Suppose we need this color, and for this we can use this small software pugin. If I point my mouse here, the color is selected. Control Alt C, press Control Alt C from your keyboard, color code copied. Now if I paste here and done. Typography, we can change typography. Text shadow, we can give a text shadow here, suppose like this way, and I think this shadow is not suitable here. I am changing this shadow from style, text shadow, default, and done. And you have to do update. Now suppose we need a call to action button here, and for this, for element, button element, I am clicking here, and here is the button element. If I click here and drag it to my design area, and here is the button. Now I can customize this button. Text, I can change text from here. Suppose see more. We can set here a link. Suppose I want to give here shop page link. If I write here, or we can change it with shop, and if I write here shop, here is shop page, and shop page linked with this button. We can give icon here, size, we can choose size from here, suppose large, and alignment, suppose center alignment, and we can use icon from here. Suppose I am giving a icon here, shopping, SHOP, suppose this icon, insert. Now we can customize our icon. Suppose icon position, before, after, I am taking it before. Icon spacing, we can choose icon spacing. And now if I go to style, we can give here a lot of style. Text color, I think text color white is good. Background color, we can change background color. This is normal settings area, this is hover settings area. Suppose background color, I am giving, I can change any color, but this one is okay. Suppose I want to change hover color. Text color, I am changing it, text color, suppose red. Now if I hover on the button, the text color is hidden with hover color. I am changing it text color. I am changing background color on hover. Suppose background color is this one. Now if I hover on the button, good. Hover animation, we can choose hover animation. Suppose shrink, this is another animation, and this is another animation, and this is another animation format. A lot of format you can choose from here. Wow, there is a lot of format you can choose from here. Button radius, you can choose button radius. Suppose 10 pixel, suppose 25 pixel. You can choose button radius. Padding, you can give padding from here. This is hover, and you can do a lot of settings from here. Now we will add a background for this section. And for select this section, just you have to click here edit section, and you will get here control panel of this section. First time we have to increase our section height, suppose fit to screen, or minimum height. This is minimum height. Okay, first time we will set our background. If we go to style, this is normal section and this is hover section. Suppose we will set an image here. There is 4 background type: classic, video, slideshow. Suppose we will make a just one slider, that's why I am taking here classic, and from image I am taking a image here. Even we can set color from here like this way. Suppose we will set a background image. I am taking a background image from here, which I already uploaded to my site. Suppose I am taking this one. Okay, color clear. And now here is our image. We can change font for show clearly. Suppose if I click here style, I am changing the color, suppose red, text shadow clear, and I will change this color, suppose style red. Okay, now if we go to section editing, position, top left, top corner, top right, there are a lot of position. You can choose as per your need, top center or top left. I think this one is okay. Repeat, no repeat, but size is not good, image size is not good. Let me change the image. Suppose I think this one, I think this one is okay. Size, auto, cover, default, scrolling effect, you can make it enable, and you can do hover settings from here. If we go to layout, we can change position of this area, vertical align, scratch section. We have to select this one. Okay, we want to give some shadow effect here, text shadow. Suppose I think it's okay, and we want to give some shadow effect here. I am selecting this one. Color, I have changed the color, and shadow effect, blend mode, we can choose blend mode, and I think now perfect. If we click here, and now our image is focusing, but we want to show text or button area will focus. That's why we have to give some overlay here. Suppose if we go to a background overlay, and there is also normal section and hover section. Here we can use classic and gradient. Suppose I am taking gradient, and first color I am choosing this one, and the second one this color, and we can modify the color with the location. Second color, we can change second color like this way. Suppose if I change this color, okay, and in this way you can play with your slider images and update. Now we have to work on responsive mode. This is responsive mode, and we are working on desktop mode. If I click here, this is mobile mode, and I think it's okay, but we have to change this color for mobile mode. If I click here and I am changing the color, suppose white, or I think this one is okay, and text shadow default, we have to change this color, and color suppose white, and done, and I think now it's okay. Update, obviously you have to update the settings, and if I click here tablet, for tablet I think this one is okay, and for desktop okay. And in this way you have to modify your design for all devices. Now we need this section, new arrivals, where we will show our new products. For this procedure, first time you need a heading, but here we will use text editor. I will show you why I am taking text editor. Okay, and now new arrivals, this is our text, new arrivals. Now we have to do some modification. Style, color, suppose I am taking this color, alignment, center, typography, default typography, and size. We need size here. Weight, we can choose weight from here, and transformation, suppose uppercase. Style, we can choose style. Decoration, okay. We will show new Aravel's products here, and if I go here, we take here text editor because we will make two colors. Suppose if I click here and I need one color for this word and I need one color for this word, that's why I take text editor. I am clicking here. Suppose if I select this word, and from here I can change with another color, suppose this one. Okay, suppose I want to set here a divider, and for this procedure I have to go to here, and here is the divider. Just click and drag where you want to set it, and width, you can select a width. Okay, I think this one is okay. Alignment, you can choose alignment. Line style, you can choose a lot of line style from here. Suppose I am taking solid, and if I go to style, I can change colors. Suppose this one. Weight, we can select weight. Okay, I think this one is okay. And gap, we can decrease gap or we can increase gap. Now we have to show this new Aravel products. That's why if I click here, and here is a code option, short code option. If I write here short code, and here is the short code, we need this element. I am selecting this one and clicking and drag. I want to set here. Okay, and this is the short code. Now you have to write a code here for a new Aravel's product, and for this you have to write on Google WooCommerce shortcodes. This is the main site, docs.woocommerce.com. You have to open this link, and here you will get all shortcodes for WooCommerce. Suppose we need new Aravel. If I press Ctrl F and if I write new, okay, we got it, a newest products, and this is the code. Just you have to copy this code and you have to paste here. Done. A new Aravel products are here because we have posted a lots of product on our site, and we can modify these settings. Suppose here is showing 4 column. If I write here 6 column, now here is showing 6 column and limit 4. That's why here is showing 4 product. If I do limit 8, here is showing 8 products. If I do 12, now I think it's okay. Apply and update. Suppose now you want to show here featured products. First time we need a section like this one. We can copy this section, copy, and we can paste here. Paste. Suppose we will show this section, featured products. Featured products. Featured products. Done. And we have to update this section because here is showing new Aravel's products, but here we have to show featured products. Okay, if you select any product, you will get code option, and here we have to change the code for featured code. If I write here featured, FEA, featured products, and here is the code. We have to copy this code and we have to change this code. Now here is showing a featured product, but first time when you will paste the code, here will not show any featured products. You have to make your products featured. Suppose like this way, you have to go to products, and from your products, which product you want to show as a featured product. For that product you have to select this star icon. I have already done for some products. I am showing you. See, like this way you have to enable this star icon. For which product you will enable this star icon, that product will show as a featured product, like this way. See, okay, here is showing 2 row 2 column. Suppose we need 4 column. We need 4 column and limit suppose 8. Done. Now you have to do some padding settings. Suppose I need some padding here. If I click here advanced, and here is padding section, if I write here 10 pixel, it will increase padding for all sides, but we need decrease just this padding, top padding. And for this we have to delink this option. Just click once, and we want to decrease this area, top area. Suppose we will decrease margin. Suppose, see, I am decreasing margin. Okay, now we need to decrease this area, advance and delink, and I am decreasing margin. Done. We have to do work on this area. Suppose I am selecting this divider, advance and delink, and I am decreasing margin. And for this area, select this area, advanced, delink and decrease margin, and done. Apply, update. Now if we see mobile version, okay, looks good. Even we need any change here, we can do from here. Just select any element and change your settings from this controlling area. Okay, in this way you can change for tablet, and you can change for desktop. Okay, we are doing work on desktop area. Apply. Now we will make this section, and for this we need 3 column. Okay, I am taking 3 column. Suppose I need 3 column, that's why I am taking this one. And for this design we need text and button. Okay, I am taking one heading, and I am taking another heading, and I am taking another heading, and I need a button. I am taking a button here. We need a background for this column, that's why we have to click here edit column, and if we click on edit column, here you will get column editing option. From here we can edit everything: column width, vertical align, horizontal align, widget space, HTML tags, happy features. And if we go to style, here is normal section, here is hover section. We will design with normal section. Background type classic, gradient and slideshow. Suppose I will design with classic. I am clicking here. I need a background image here. Okay, let's take a background image. We can use color like this way, clear image. Suppose I need this image. Okay, here is the image. We have to increase this column height, that's why we will go here edit column, and we will go to advanced option, and from here we can give some padding. Suppose 50 or 500. delink. Suppose if I give here 200 or 300 pixel, and I think it's okay. Now we have to edit these options. Suppose new collection, copy new collection. I have to give some styles here, style and color. Change the color, change color as per your need, or you can copy these colors. Suppose I am making white. Typography, you can change typography. I need some padding here, delink. Suppose left side, suppose 30. I think this one is okay. And I need decrease margin, delink and decrease. and second text, this one, copy paste here, advanced D-link left 30, and styles color white, advanced D-link decrease top margin. Styles, we have to resize this format, typography, and change format, change size. And third one is price, advanced D-link padding 30, style color white, okay. And button, if I select button, advanced D-link padding 30 and bottom 30, style contents, suppose text shop now, and you can give some style here, background color this one, and we can do modify as per our need. And if I click here shop now button, content, I can link shop page, SHOP shop, and I can link any other page. Now we need three column for 3 pages. Just I am showing you how you will do it. I am making a duplicate copy, and I am making another duplicate copy, and now we don't need this column. Delete. I am deleting all, okay. I am changing the background, edit, styles, delete. Suppose I am taking this one, and now I am making duplicate column. Done. Here is 3 column. Now we can change the backgrounds, edit, style, delete. Suppose this one. We have to change the text colors. Just I am showing you, styles, suppose this one. Suppose we want to use some overlay effect here, edit, style, background overlay, suppose this color, and make it transparent, okay. And do this for all images, background overlay, suppose, and make it transparent, okay. And same for this one, background overlay, make it transparent, and done. And if we click here, edit section, scratch section, you have to enable it, content width, you can make it full width for this kind of effect, update. And in this way you can play with columns. Now you will see how we can make a block section like this one. And for this, first time we need a section. I am taking a section, and there is 2 column. I am deleting 1 column. I am making duplicate copy, duplicate, and I need to drag this to this column, okay. And I need divider, duplicate, okay. Now I have to drag it, and I have to set here. Done. Now we can rename this one, suppose latest news, okay. Suppose we want to show here latest blog post, and for this we need a plugin. If we go to plugins, add new, we have to write here live mesh, add-ons for Elementor, and here is the add-on by live mesh. We have to install this one, and we have to activate it. Now if we update and if we refresh this page, and for show here blog post, we have to search here post grid, and this is the element post grid. I am clicking and dragging here. There are no posts in our site, that's why here is showing nothing. Suppose let's make a post, add new. Suppose I am making a test post, test. Okay, I am giving here an image, upload from library, suppose this one. Just I am doing a test post, and here I am giving featured image. I am taking same image and publish. Now if we update it and refresh the page, and here is showing post. And if we want to do some edit, just we have to select this one, and here we will get control panel for this post content. If we don't want to show post content, just we have to deselect this one, and suppose we don't want to show these options, and here is showing my post. If you don't want to show my post, just delete this one, and in this way you can show your blog post here category wise. Now you will make this section, and this is very easy. For this procedure we need 3 columns, suppose this one, and we need an icon and heading. Okay, let's take an icon and heading. Now you have to do some modification. Suppose if I click on icon, we can change icon and colors. Suppose we need a globe icon for first one. If I search here globe, suppose this one, and if we get to style, we can change colors for normal section, for hover section. Suppose I want to change color for normal section, primary color means this color. Size, we can change size, and we can rotate our icon. We can change background color, but we will do this design, that's why we don't need background color. And the text is this one, paste, customer satisfaction. Size, we can change size, HTML tag, suppose large, and style, we can change text color, same color, I am taking same color. And typography, we can change typography, size, weight. Suppose I am taking here 700. Blend mode, we can change blend mode. And now I think it's okay. Now we have to do duplicate this column, 2 column, and done. And we have to delete this blank 2 column. Delete. Now just we have to change the icons and the text. Okay, I am changing, suppose a shopping icon, SHOP, this one, done. And the text is refund and exchange. Okay, I am changing text, done. And the last one is this one. I am changing the icon, I am selecting icon and click here support. So support, if I write here support, suppose I will give this icon, and this is the text. Select text here and paste here, and done. Update. And in this way you can play with icon for your website with Elementor. Now you have to customize header section, and you have to customize footer section, and in this way you can design your home page for multi-vendor website design, or dropshipping website design, or e-commerce website design. Now we need to make some categories, and for this procedure we have to go to products, categories. We have already created some categories, suppose clothing, electronics, men fashion, sticker, women fashion, and here is one subcategory, women jacket. I am showing you how to create category and subcategories. Suppose I want to create these categories, jewelry and watches. We can make two categories, one is for jewelry and one is for watches. I am making one category, jewelry and watches. Done. And slug, you have to paste same word. This is main category. That's why I am not selecting parent category. We can give a description here. We can choose commission type from here. Suppose I am choosing percentage 10%. Display type is standard. We can give a image here. Add new category and done. Suppose I want to make another category, telephone and accessories. Okay, copy, paste, percentage 10, all okay. Add new category. Suppose protection and security, copy, paste, and percentage 10, add new category. Added. And men's clothing, I think we have one, men's fashion. Okay, we will make it parent category, men's clothing, and we will make this men's fashion subcategory for men's clothing. I am making parent category, percentage 10, add category, and here is men's clothing, but we need to make this men's fashion for this category as a subcategory. That's why we have to go to edit option for this category, and from here we have to choose men's clothing. Update. Done. Now if we refresh, men's clothing main category, men's fashion subcategory. And in this way you can make a lot of product categories as per your need. Now we will see how a vendor can make a single product, and for this procedure we have to go to dashboard. As a shop owner, I have a seller account. I am showing with this seller account. Suppose if I want to show a product to my store, I have to go here, products, or if I want to create a product for my store, add new product, product name. Here we have to give a product name. Suppose I am giving here black t-shirt, black t-shirt, SHIRT, black t-shirt, and the price, normal price 200 and discounted price 150. Here I can give a description. Suppose this is nice black t-shirt for Christmas. You have to write a description about your t-shirt, and here I have to give a picture of t-shirt. Upload product image. Suppose this one is my image. Select, enter, and here I can add another images for this t-shirt. Select category. I have to select a category from here. Suppose I am selecting here a t-shirt. Description. Here we have to give more description. Okay, I am ignoring this option, and create product. Now you can modify all the setting sections. Suppose product type simple. If your product downloadable, you have to select this one. If your product virtual, you have to select this one. But our product is physical product, that's why we will ignore these two options. Price, okay. Category, tags. Here we can give tags. Suppose t-shirt, and we can set here more tags. A short description, we can give here more descriptions. Inventory, in stock, we can give here SKU number, stock keeping unit number. Suppose MT207. Enable product stock management, we can enable product stock management. Suppose stock quantity, we can set here stock quantity is 50, and you can select here allow back orders. Do not allow but notify customer. Suppose I am not selecting this option. If you need, you can select this option. You can select here shipping and tax, shipping classes. If you create shipping class, you can choose shipping class from here. Override your store's default shipping cost for this product. You can select this one. And processing time, you can select here processing time linked product, you can select upsell, cross sell, attribute. This option is not for single product, this option is for variable product. I will show you. Discount options, enable bulk discount. If you want to give discount on this item, you can select from here minimum quantity and discount percentage. I am not selecting this one. RMA option, set your return and warranty settings for the override global settings. If you done a RMA settings, you can override these settings from here. I am not doing this. Other options, product status, online, visibility, visible, purchase note. You can give here a purchase note. Customer will get this info in their order email. I am not giving purchase info right now. And you can select enable product reviews. And finally, save product. Now if I go to our store, and here is showing new arrival products. This one, customer can give reviews from here. Customer will get vendor info here, more products. Customer can see more products of this store. Shipping, customer can see shipping status, shipping 1 to 3 business day from Bangladesh. Okay. And customer can share our products to social media accounts with these buttons, social media account buttons. And in this way you can make, or seller can make, a simple product for their store. Now we will see how we can make variable products. And for make a variable product, you have to go to product, add new. Suppose I am making a test product for t-shirt. I am writing here t-shirt. And here we have to give long description, and here we have to give a short description. We want to make variable product. From product data we have to select a variable product, but first time we have to make some attributes. If I click here variations, here is showing before you can add a variation, you need to add some variation attributes on the attributes tab. Okay, here is the guideline. I am going to attributes, and here is one option selected, custom product attribute, add. Suppose I need two attributes, number 1 is size and number 2 is color, and that's why I am making an attribute for size, name size. And here you have to give the sizes with this separator, like small, medium, large, extra large. Suppose you can write this way, small space separator, medium separator, large separator, and Excel. In this way you can make sizes, and you have to select visible on the product page, and you have to select used for variations. I am selecting both. Save attributes. We have made size attributes. Now you have to make another attribute, color attribute. I am clicking here add, and I am giving name the color, and you have to write here the colors name, which color you need. Suppose I need red and black. I am writing here black separator and red. You can make colors as per your need. And here is visible on the product page selected. We have to select used for variations, save attributes. We have made our attributes. Now we have to go to variations, and if we click here add variation, create variations from all attributes, we have to select this option, and we have to click on go, and here you will get this message. Okay, 8 variations added. Okay, small black, small red, medium black, medium red, large black, large red, XL black, XL red. If I click here expand, now we can give information for each attribute. Suppose first time I want to add images, small black, here we will give black image. Suppose upload, select, I have 2 images, these 2, I am uploading both. I am giving this black image for black, and now red, we have to give here red image. and black image, and red image, black image, red image, black image, red image. Done. Now we have to give a featured image. Set featured image. I am giving here red image. Product gallery, we can set 2 images here. We can give product tags. Suppose t-shirt. We can select category. There is no category for t-shirt. I am making a category. Add new category, t-shirt. Add new category added. Now we have to give SKU number. I am giving SKU number for all colors and sizes. Suppose first one is 0071, and if I copy this, I am giving different numbers: SKU number, stock keeping unit number, and second one is 2, and third one is 3, and fourth one is 4, and fifth one is 5, and this one 6, and this one 7, and this one 8. Now we have to give regular prices for all product. Okay, we have to publish the product. Now if I go to variations, and from here if I select pricing, set regular prices, go, enter a value, suppose 25. Okay, if I expand it, all product regular price $25. Suppose now we want to do stock management, that's why I am going to variations, and from here add variations. I am selecting here toggle manage stock, go, and now if I select stock, go, and here we have to give our stock amount, suppose 10. Okay, and now if I expand stock quantity 10, all product have stock quantity 10. Update. We have added our variable product successfully. Now if I refresh the site front end area, and here is the new product, a new arrivals area. I am opening this one, and done. Now visitor can select size, select color, select quantity, size, small size, medium size, large size, XL size, suppose color, black color, red color, medium size, black color, red color, reviews. Customer can give reviews from here, and everything is okay. Now I think you know how you can make a variable product for your WooCommerce or e-commerce website. Now we will see how we can add coupon for discount, or a seller set coupon code for a discount. Suppose I am going to dashboard, and this is my seller account, and here is products. I have one product. I want to make a discount for this product, or I want to make discount for my all products, and here is coupons. First time I have to make a coupon. Add new coupon, coupon title. I have to give a title here. Suppose this is a coupon title, new year 2020. A description, we can give here a description. Suppose if you use this code, you will get 10% discount. discount type. There is two type, fixed product discount and percentage discount. We want to give percentage discount, that's why I am selecting percentage discount. And amount, suppose 10%. Usage limit, we can set here usage limit, suppose 100 times. This means this discount will valid only for 100 time use. Expired date, we can set here a expired date. Exclude sale item, we have to select this option. Check this box if the coupon should not apply to items on sale. Minimum amount, here we can set minimum amount. Product, we can set here product, we can choose here product, for which product we want to give discount. Suppose I am giving here selecting all. Exclude product, if we want we can exclude some products which will not work for discount. Check this box, show on store. If you want to show coupon on store, you have to select this box. Check this box if you want to show this coupon in store page. Okay, create coupon, and our coupon is created. Now let's see it's working or not. Suppose I am going to a product, I am selecting size and color, add to cart, view basket. Here is showing 25, and as total customer have to pay 25. If I use coupon here, apply coupon, now see, now customer have to pay 22. Coupon code working, 10%. Now I think you know how we can make coupon discount code for our products, or a seller can make a coupon discount code for their products. Now you will see how we can fix search problems. If we go to shop now page or shop page, suppose we want to search a product. I am clicking on search icon, suppose t-shirt, search, and here is showing t-shirts, but I don't like this looks. I have to change this looks, and that's why I have to go to customize, and we have to go to general option, general settings, and from here source we have to select, we can select here these options: posts, pages, products, store reviews. We have to select here products, and if I publish, now if we go to shop now and search a product, suppose t-shirt, now it looks okay. We need these looks. Now we will see how can we do setup shop now page, a sidebar. I already set up some widgets here. You can set here anything, and for this procedure you have to go to appearance, widgets, and here is WooCommerce sidebar, and here is already set a filter product by price. This one, filter product by price. Customer can filtering product by price, suppose like this way, filter, and the product will filtered by setup price. Suppose we need here a search icon, and if I press Ctrl F, search Dokan live search, we have to add this widget. Suppose I am clicking here, and we want to set here WooCommerce sidebar. We have to select this one and add widget, and Dokan live search is here. I am dragging it to the top, and if I click here, suppose we can change here title, search your product. You can write here anything, save. Now if I refresh this page, and here is the search option, and if I search here, suppose t-shirt, and we can search category wise. Suppose I am selecting t-shirt, and here is the t-shirt, and in this way customer can search, and in this way we can set any widget here. Suppose next option is followers. We have to set our social media accounts here. Suppose I am closing this option, and I am opening social icons, followers, and here we have to set our social icons. Title, followers, we can change it. Style, we can choose style. Suppose here is selected light, this is light settings, and if we change it dark, and save. Now if we refresh our page, and this is dark settings, and I think it looks good. Suppose I want to change to colored, save, and if I refresh, and this is colored settings. but I think this one is good, dark. And save, refresh, and we can set transition, suppose zoom out. And if we refresh, and here is the effect. Suppose I want to change it, I want to change the effect. Suppose I am selecting here float, and save, and if I refresh the page, this is float effect. I think this one is okay. Now we have to set our social media accounts with these icons. Link target, we can change link target, blank, self, we can change dimensions, font size, border radius, background color, all types of background color. Social links, we have to set here social links. Suppose I am doing settings for all the social media accounts here, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram address. We are not using Google Plus, I am deleting this one. LinkedIn, we are using LinkedIn address. Pinterest, we are using Pinterest address. Flickr, we are not using this one. Vimeo, we are not using it. Vine, we are not using it. YouTube, we are using this one, YouTube. RSS, we are not using this one, delete, and save. Now if we refresh the page, and audience can follow our social media accounts from here, suppose Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube. And we can change these options, product categories, top rated products, which already I have set up here. And in this way we can set up here any widget as per our need. Now we will see blog sidebar settings. We have made a blog page, we have to set this blog page here, and for this procedure we have to go to appearance menus, and we have to select main menu, select, we will set here blog page, and that's why view all, and here is the blog page, select add to menu, and we will set this page here, blog, and save menu. Now if we refresh our site, here is the blog. If we click here, this is the sidebar, but we will set some widget here, and for this procedure we have to go to appearance widgets, and this is the sidebar, default sidebar, social share and MailChimp. Here is social share and MailChimp. Suppose I am deleting this one, MailChimp, delete, and I will set here social icon, select default sidebar, add widget, and here is the widget. Suppose title, we can change it, follow us, light, I am taking here dark or colored, transition float, link target blank, okay, and we can modify these colors. Now we will set here our social media accounts links, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. Save. Now if we refresh the blog page, and here is our follow us options. Suppose we want to set Facebook like box, I am clicking here Facebook like box widget, and default sidebar, we have to select default sidebar, add widget, and here is the like box. Suppose we can give here a title, our Facebook page, and here we have to give Facebook page URL, and this is Facebook page URL. We can set here width, height, color scheme, we can choose color scheme from here, show faces, show profile photos in the plugin, we can select this option, show stream, show border, show wall, we can select as per our needs. Suppose I am saving this one, and if I refresh the page, and here is our fan page, and in this way we can set any widget here, and we can customize the widget. Now we will see how a customer purchases a product. Now suppose one buyer wants to buy this product. The buyer, he or she will choose size from here, suppose large, color, suppose black, and he or she will choose here quantity and click on add to basket, and then customer will click here view basket, proceed to checkout, and here customer will give their information, suppose first name, last name, country, address. I have given here a demo address, and customer will give here his or her phone number and email address, and if customer need this product to a different address, then customer will select this option, deliver to a different address, and customer will fill up this form, address form, and if customer need to give any notes, he or she can give here. And payment method, I have selected here cash on delivery because just I am designing this website. When I have completed the website, I will disable cash on delivery, and here I will set as payment method PayPal or to checkout or SSL Commerce. I can set anything here. After completing the website design, I will change the payment method cash on delivery. Okay, customer will check this option, terms and condition agreed, and place order. Order submitted. Orders, seller can process the order from here, and seller can click on this view button and they can go through the whole order. What is the quantity, what is the billing address, what is the shipping address, and they can ship the product to this shipping address. Now there are many courier services giving this support. Seller can contact with any courier service to ship this product to the customer, and in this way customer can purchase the product from our website and seller can do process the order. Now we will do settings for our menu, and for this procedure we have to go to customize, we have to go to header, we have to go to general option, and here is menu height showing so big, we have to decrease this one. Menu height is 74 pixel, I am making it 50. Now it's okay. Publish. Now if I see the front end, it looks good. Style, we can change style. Minimal style is selected. If I select transparent, this is transparent looks, not bad. If I select top menu, this is another looks. If I select full screen, menu looks like this type. If I select center, this one is center settings. If I select medium, this one is medium settings, not bad. If I publish and refresh, looks good. Or if I select vertical, this is vertical menu. Suppose I am selecting minimal, I think this one is standard. Publish and refresh. Okay, done. We can change background color, border bottom color. Suppose if I change border bottom color, we can change like this way. I am taking default. Padding, we can give here padding. Content after header, we can set here content after header. Suppose if I give this line here, copy and paste and publish, and if I refresh, content after header will show here. Suppose I am deleting it and publish. Now we will do logo settings. If I go back and go to logo, we have already uploaded the logo. Here it is. By default logo will show big if you upload big image, but you can maintain logo height, logo width from here. Suppose minimum width, you can set minimum width, and I think 150. I think 150 is okay. A minimum width, and you can set minimum height. Suppose 150. I have given here 150 by 150, minimum width 150, minimum height 150 pixel. Okay, update. Now if we refresh our website, done. Now it looks good, and go back and click on menu. You can select top level drop down icon, a second level drop down icon, drop down top banner, a position. Here is selected right. You can select center, left, right. Suppose if I select center, you will get this looks. If I select left, links effect, you can select links effect. Suppose underline from left, if you select underline from left, you will get this effect. Done. Okay, publish. Left right padding, you can choose left right padding from here. Link color, you can set a link color here. Link color hover, you can change link color hover. Link color, link background hover, link background current menu item, drop down styling, background color, you can change background color, top banner, top border color, and here is lot of settings for menu. I am changing the menu color to black. That's why I have to change link color to black, complete black, and done. Publish. And in this way we can play with our menu. Now we will design our top bar, And for this procedure we have to go to customize, and we have to go to top bar content, and here we want to show our phone number. Suppose this is our phone number. Copy and paste. Here is showing phone number, but here is not showing the icon, phone icon. We have to set here phone icon. And for icon you can use Font Awesome Start for free. We have to go to icons and we have to search our icon. Suppose we need phone icon, and here is a lot of phone icons. You can choose one, you can choose any one. Suppose I need this one. Copy HTML and paste, and here is showing icon. Publish, and let's go back social. If you want to show your social icons here, just give your social icon links here. Suppose I am giving my social icon links here. Social link, target, new window, selected, font size, padding, color. We can select, we can change anything from here. Twitter, Facebook. I am giving all the social media links here for this website. Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, and finally YouTube. All social media accounts showing here. Publish. Suppose I want to change this color. With this color I am using pixie. For copy this color I am pointing this color from here with my mouse pointer. Ctrl Alt C, copy the color, and social link color, select and paste here, and done. Suppose hover color, I will change hover color. Suppose I will use this color. Ctrl Alt C, social links hover, and paste. Publish, and done. And if we go back, general settings, suppose I want to change this color, text color and link color. Suppose this one is black, text color, and link color also black, and done. Publish. Visibility, show on all devices, especially you can select for devices. Suppose tablet, mobile, tablet and mobile, and show on all devices. I am selecting here show on all devices. You can select top bar, full width, and style, and here is some style. Left content, right social. Left content, right social, selected. And if I select here left social, right content, now social icon showing here and content showing here, and I think this one is good. Publish, refresh, and in this way you can do settings for top bar. Now we will do typography settings, and for this procedure we have to go to customize and we have to go to typography. First time we have to change body text, body, font family. You can change fonts from here. There are a lot of fonts. Suppose my favorite font is Poppins. If I write here, and here it is Poppins. Publish. You can choose any one, and if you go to a font color, and you will get the font color is gray color. If you need, you have to change the color of font. Suppose I need black color. I am clicking here and I am selecting black. Now it's black. Suppose we want font heading will be bold, and that's why we have to go to footer section. A footer will get heading, font weight. Suppose I am selecting here 700, and done. Publish. Font style, we can choose font style. Text transform, we can choose text transform. Suppose capitalize, lowercase, uppercase, none. Suppose I am selecting uppercase, and publish. Font color, we can change font color from here. If we go to shop page, suppose I want to make this heading bold, and for this we have to go to widget heading. We have to go to backside and sidebar widget heading. If we go to sidebar widget heading, font family, suppose Poppins, and I am selecting here font weight, suppose 700. Publish. Now if I refresh the front end area of website, done. Go to back, and suppose if we go to a product, if we need any typography settings here, we have to go to these settings: WooCommerce product title, WooCommerce product price, WooCommerce product add and basket. Suppose if I go to WooCommerce product title, from here we can change font. Suppose Poppins, publish, and if I refresh this page, and done. And we can change a lot of settings from here. Suppose color, line height, font size, everything we can change from here. And go back, and from here go to WooCommerce. From here I want to change these options. I don't want to show a category, and suppose I don't want to show the button. And if we go to archives, element positioning, from here we have to do these settings. Suppose I will hide this button, and I will hide the category. Now it looks much better. Publish. Suppose now we want to do some blog settings. If I click here, blog, now this is the blog style. And if I click here, front end area, this is the blog style, but I don't like this style. I want to change this style. That's why we have to go to back side and back, and from here we have to go to blog option, and here we have to go to blog entries, and from here we can do many settings, but main settings we need this one, blog style. Here is showing large image, we have to select it, thumbnail, and now this is perfect for blog page settings. Publish, and we refresh our front end area, and done. And now we have to make some pages full width. Suppose if I go to pages, we have to make some pages full width. Suppose basket page, if I view this page is not full width. Okay, this one is okay. Suppose if I go to blog page, okay. If I go to checkout page, view page, but we need this page full width. That's why we have to go to edit page, and from main oceanwp settings, main settings, layout, here we have to select 100% full width or full width. Suppose I am selecting here full width. Update. Now if we see the page, done. Now it's full width. Okay, in this way we have to do some more pages full width. Suppose dashboard, home page, my account, we have to make this edit. I have already made this one full width. Okay, and privacy policy, we have to make this page full width. Returns and refunds, terms and condition, every pages we have to do full width. And finally we have to do footer settings. I have already done footer settings, and I am showing you how I did these settings. For doing footer settings, you have to go to appearance, widgets, and here you will get this option: footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4, footer 1. I have set contact info. Here you will get contact info widget, and you have to set contact info here, and you have to edit your contact info from here. Your email address, support URL, URL text, website URL, everything you have to give here, and you have to do save. And second one is recent post. Here is showing recent post, because on footer 2 we have set recent post. You will get recent post here, and you have to set here, and you can modify these settings. And footer 3 is store and useful links, and here is footer 3, and here you will get custom links widget. You have to set here custom links, and with this custom links widget you can make any kinds of links, and we have set here store links, and we have set here useful links. And finally we have set here follow us, a follow us option. Footer 4, social icons, follow us. You will get this widget here, social icons, follow us, and you have to set here social icon, follow us, and from here you have to do these settings for your social icons. And we already know how to set up these social accounts, and now I think you can make a fully professional multi-vendor website and any other e-commerce website or dropshipping website like this way. Now we have to do one final settings. We have to make a about us page, and we have to make a contact us page. We have already made a contact us page. Suppose I want to set here about us page on top bar. If I go to pages, and we have already made about us page, we want to show this page here on top bar. We have to go to appearance, menus, and we will set the menu to top bar. That's why we will select here top bar, top menu bar, select, and here is our about us page. Select add to menu, Suppose I want to set here before contact us, just click and drag and set. Save menu. Now if we refresh our front end, and here is about us menu. Basically you have to give your business details on about us page. I am not showing this, I am showing you contact us page. Suppose if I click here contact us, we have to show here a contact from customer and the seller who are interested in our business. They will contact us with this contact from, and for this we have to install a plugin. I am going to plugins, add new. There are a lot of plugins for contact us form. Suppose I want to use contact from 7. I am writing here contact, and this one is contact from 7. 5 million plus installation. This is best plugin for contact from. Install and activate, and when you activate the plugin you will get this menu contact. If I click here contact forms, you can make a lot of contact from. By default you will get a contact from. You can use this one. Suppose I am copying this code, short code. You have to copy this short code and you have to go to contact us page, and you have to go to edit page, and you have to go to edit with Elementor, and you have to search for short code short. Just click and drag to the design area. You can do design as per your need with different section, and here you have to set your map. I am showing you contact from. Just click the contact from option and enter your shortcode here. Apply and update. Now if we see our contact us page, and done. Now the person who is interested to our business, they can fill up this form and send message to our email address which is connected to our website. Now I think you can make a fully professional multi-vendor website. And finally we have completed our design with this tutorial, and for this tutorial I have done a lot of research, so I hope you will appreciate the tutorial, and I think you will like and share this tutorial with your social media accounts and with your friends. If you have any suggestion you can do comments. And finally this is my Skype ID VaiShipon, VaiShipon. If you need any kinds of web design related help, you can contact with me through Skype VaiShipon, my Skype ID. And finally thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you.